So is this Daddy and Gracie having a tea party? So, where's my cracker? Or where's my... Oh, graham crackers? Okay. I think I even got a dog hair in my juice. Cheers. Cheers.
No.
No? Oh, you have to eat the cracker first? Okay. I have to eat the cracker first. Mmm. That's spiky. What are you doing a toast to? What are you cheersing to?
I like a toast.
I'm toasting to Gracie. Mmm. Oh, that's so good. May I please have a little more tea? Yeah, open it up. Fill her up. Okay. Put the lid back on. Okay, what are we doing now?
Whoa, stop!
Well, get the towel out of the bathroom.
You do it.
Me? Why not you?
Like, come on.
Oh, you just spilled some. You gotta be careful. Okay, I'll get some more out of the bathroom. Oops. You stay here with the baby. What?
No.
Mm.